Hey everyone, my name's Allie and welcome back to my channel, Mindful Living. In today's video, I'll be sharing how to regrow lettuce from the grocery store in your container garden. This growing method is simple, beginner friendly, saves you money, and gives you a fresh harvest of lettuce in about 30 days. So let's go ahead and get started. The type of lettuce I'm regrowing is butterhead lettuce, which is a variety of lettuce categorized by its soft, tender, and buttery flavored leaves. It's often labeled as living lettuce because it still has the roots attached, and you can usually find these at most grocery stores in the produce section. I love buying this type of lettuce because it has a significantly longer shelf life due to its attached root system, which keeps the lettuce hydrated and fresh in the fridge for longer periods of time. To regrow living lettuce, start by removing all the larger outer leaves. You can use these right away or place them into a plastic bag with a piece of paper towel to use for later. Once you're done, it should look something like this. You'll want to keep the small center leaves still intact, as that's where the new growth will emerge from. Now I'm just going outside to my garden so we can start planting. Before planting, gently remove any packaging or netting from the roots. Plant your lettuce in a container filled with organic potting soil. Make sure the roots are completely covered, but leave the leaves above the surface. Gently firm the soil around the base of the plant so it stands upright. I'm planting my lettuce in a long, shallow container. Lettuce has a shallow root system, typically reaching about 6 inches deep, which makes it well suited for growing in shallow containers like this. After planting, give your lettuce a good drink of water and place the container in a spot where it'll receive at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day, with morning sun being the best. Keep the soil moist throughout the growing process. Lettuce is a moisture-loving plant that requires consistent watering to thrive. In fact, lettuce is made up almost entirely of water, with an average water content of about 95%, so avoid letting the soil dry out. Lettuce grows very rapidly, and because this one already had an established root system, it grew even faster. I planted this at the end of July, and within 4 weeks, it was already a full-size head of lettuce. If you want your lettuce to keep producing, harvest it using the cut and come again method. Harvest the outer leaves first, while leaving the small inner ones to keep growing. This way your plant continues to produce fresh leaves over time. I've harvested from this plant multiple times over the last couple weeks, and I still have it growing outside in my garden. Lettuce is one of the easiest veggies to regrow at home, and I was pleasantly surprised with how fast this one grew. I hope this video inspires you to try regrowing lettuce from the grocery store in your own garden. Make sure to tag me or leave me a comment down below if you do. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.